NDA Legislative Party meeting will be at 2 p.m. on the 7th of June. All right, this is big news coming in right now that all the NDA chief ministers, deputy chief ministers are going to be attending this very important meeting. That's the latest that we've just gotten, that this meeting is going to be held at 2 in the afternoon on the 7th of June, wherein all the party karyakartas, actually no, all the chief ministers, deputy chief ministers, all the big leaders, the union ministers are expected to be present on this very crucial meeting. Payal joins us now for the very latest. Payal, over to you. Give us more details and tell us a little bit more about this crucial meet that now has been planned for the 7th.
Well, this is a procedure which actually takes place. If you remember, today the NDA leaders will meet. In fact, they'll be discussing what seats shared to take place in terms of the cabinet and other portfolios, etc. Also in states like Andhra Pradesh, where of course the state government is also to be formed, what will be there for each one of them, that is something which is going to be decided in this meeting, which takes place at the Prime Minister's residence at 4 o'clock. But on the 7th of June, which is of course a couple of days from now, the leaders of the NDA, basically all the chief ministers of the NDA, all the parliamentary party leaders of the NDA, they'll all come together at the Central Hall of Parliament at 2 o'clock, and that's when the legislative party meeting will take place. That is in a way to pick the leader of the NDA. Remember, at present, Narendra Modi is the leader of the NDA and Rajnath Singh is the deputy leader of the Lok Sabha as well. So all these procedures will take place, and that is after that, we'll be able to see probably oath taking and ceremonies take place within a couple of days after that as well. Because first, like you do it in the assembly elections, you pick up the leader of the legislative party, and then that person goes with the letter to the president or to the governor in the case of the states to stake claim to form the government. So this is exactly what is slated to happen at 2 o'clock in the Central Hall of Parliament.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that, Payal. Thank you so much for joining us and getting